Yes.
Good afternoon. This is Somnath Chattopadhyay from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT ISM Dhanbad. Today, my topic of discussion will be H-index and how to enhance H-index as a parameter for research. First of all, we should know what is H-index. H-index means the capability of a researcher, and that is designated by, say, some number, say n. That means that researcher is having at least n papers which are having at least n citations. If H index is 10 for a researcher, that means he has at least 10 papers who are having at least 10 number of citations. This is a good measure. It is done by some scientists and it is known as Hirsch index or H index. It is a very good parameter for assessing the capability in one number itself. I can show you one, the H index of a person like Professor Kalyan Moydev. He is a very renowned professor in his domain. He is also basically a mechanical engineer, passed out from IIT Kharagpur. Now he is a well-renowned person and his H index is a dream 114. 114 means he has at least 114 papers which are having at least 114 number of citations. This is a terrific figure. It can give him the ranking in terms of worldwide, maybe within 200 all over the world. Like say Albert Einstein is having H index of 201, Nobel laureate, and another Nobel laureate from Indian origin, he is Professor Amartya Sen. He is having H index maybe 199, near about that. So these kind of H index will be the true measure of the research capability of the people. So now all those ranking institutes, ranking systems, like say Kwok, Coralie Simons and other things, they are also looking for the institutes who are having these kind of research impacts in many kind of awards and other part of it. People are looking for these kind of effects, and we will discuss about how to enhance these H index for an average research scholar and to get the full mileage out of it. The first thing to have better H index is to have higher number of good papers published in good journals. If the journal papers have the merit, automatically it will be cited and H index will be enhanced. So this is the easiest method, but one has to take the pain to publish good papers, write good papers and publish in good journals. But apart from that, if that paper and other part of it may not be of that high quality always, which can attract automatically, spontaneously from the different parts of the world, one has to work upon. One has to make a network, a social network like that with the peer people who are working in that very domain. So one has to know who are the big players writing papers and doing researches in that domain. The first thing is that to inform them. If you cite them, inform them, sir, I have cited your papers and this is my text, please for your records. And if anybody cites there, they are also say thank you message should be there through ResearchGate and other part of it. Thanks for your citation. And slowly and steadily with some kind of communication, a very big peer network has to be built with the relevant people who are working in this field. And once these kind of things will be there, there will be a tremendous improvement in terms of citing. And very specifically, if a citation is done for the people, not self-citation. If your papers are there, if it is not cited by you but others, then the weightage of all those things are very, very important. If that kind of networking and other things can work, and very specifically in a country like India or China, we have so many people, researchers in different kind of domain. We have the terrific demographic advantage in order to have the good group of people to do all sorts of things. And that way it can be enhanced. First, research scholar should try for the citation index 5, then for double citation index. In many of the cases, the professors should have in Web of Science 2-digit citation index to get their designations as selected as professors, another part of it. Then they should try for say 20 or 30, then 50 if it is attained, then it will be a figure. Maybe in a country like India, very few, not much people are there to have 30 plus or 50 related. And if you can attain that H index of 100, that means you are an international reputed figure like Professor Kallan Mahadev to have that. So these kind of knowledge, exercise, research, gate, networking and other things has to be carried out meticulously and aware of other people are doing in that domain, and this collaboration will definitely change the game of citations, and people will get the mileage throughout their life if they have better H index, very specifically for the Web of Science and other related database. Thank you and best wishes.